Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I am going to tell you all about the Harry Potter studios that are in London. So this video will be quite long, trust me. So for that matter, I actually divided this video into different sections. So if you check the description down below, you will be able to actually find the different moments and parts of the video that might interest you the most. And we shall now start the first part of the video. So the very first thing you need to know is that obviously you need to book your tickets in advance, because the only way you can actually get tickets is on the website. You can't buy the tickets at the studio. You need to buy them beforehand, before going there. I think you should buy your tickets maybe 1 or 2 months in advance. It really depends on the period of the year. In summer holidays, obviously it's all booked. Also, like I've checked, but if you go on the website, as I will be showing you, you will see that if you wanted to go for Halloween, visiting the Harry Potter studio, you can't because it's already booked. Personally, I think it was like middle of July and I went visiting the studio at the end of August. And when I went on the website, all the tickets were sold out on Warner Bros. Website. So now, let me show you how to book your tickets online. You can simply write on your search bar Harry Potter Studio and then you will find multiple links. You can start by going on the Warner Bros. Studio website. When you click the link, you can see a map of the different places you can go to catch a bus, a train, or just a shuttle that will bring you to the studios. I personally went by myself with my own car. The parking at the studio is completely free. There is way enough space for everyone to park, and in order to enter it, you just have to show the tickets. Once you have an idea from where you want to depart, you can take a look at what time you can start the visit. Keep in mind that the average of time spent there is 3 hours or more. It is better, I believe, to arrive early, but depending on the station you choose, there are different times available, as you can see. It is time to select the number of tickets you need according to the age of each visitors. Then you are going to select the date when you will be going, and of course, you pick the right station and the right time at which you desire to start the visit. So here is an example for the free tickets with visitors over 16. If you are going with younger people, the price will drop, and that was how you can get the tickets from the Warner Bros. Studio website. As I told you, if the tickets are already sold out, check out the websites, because sometimes there are other tickets that are still available, as Warner Bros. Studios have partners with hotels and agencies. For instance, you can book your tickets with the goldentour.uk. I went with the company Holiday Extra because they sell you packages with your tickets and also offer a place to stay at night, which is great because it is way less expensive than if you bought the tickets and a hotel separately. So here I am showing you some footage of the hotel we stayed at, because it was quite nice. So the hotel you can actually see was called the Holiday Inn and it was 15 minutes from the studio. So at this hotel we stayed in, I kept seeing fans of Harry Potter dressed in their robes like that, and it was so cool because even though like the visit was over, I still felt like I was in a Harry Potter mood. As an example, let me show you how a visit unfolded. On your tickets, it is written that you should be arriving like 30 minutes before the time you booked your tickets. We arrived at the parking at 9:50 and we were served our breakfast by 10:20. You can buy food like coffee, orange juice, or even sweets from the movies like chocolate frogs or cupcakes. There are toilets also, so you can take your time before actually starting the visit. Once you are ready, you show one last time your tickets and you can go freely around. You start by your room with the Dudley's house and an introduction with information on the movies and when they were released. Then you enter another room in which the staff will tell you about what you can do or not do. Halfway through the visit, there will be a shop, toilets, and a cafeteria in which you can order butterbeer. We started eating around 2 p.m. We waited, I think, like half an hour for our order, but it was really fast after that. After that, there is the other half of the visit. The rest was also really amazing, but it was time to go home, and we finished the whole tour at like 4 p.m. So we actually stayed there over 6 hours, which is the double of time that's advised, but it was because we ate breakfast and lunch at the studios, and we also went to the shops, obviously, for souvenirs. During the visit, there are many things to see. For instance, there are a lot of explanation on how they made the decors, costumes and makeup of the actors. There are also behind-the-scenes secrets. For instance, did you notice that the dresses made for Dolores become more pink as she gains more power at Hogwarts? You can become a wizard by being taught how to cast a spell with the attack and different stances that are used for fights in the movies.
Loudly, first you're going to say up. Up. Filled with confidence. Big smile, big wave. And
you can even interact with decors, as there are green screens in which you can pretend like you're flying or taking a train to Hogwarts. But these are not free, so if you want to keep the videos, you will need to buy them. Collect special items. So throughout the visit, you will be able to take some gifts home that are free. For instance, this little cup, I got it when I was eating lunch. It was like £6 for the drink and you could keep it. It was a butterbeer and that was just so great. This one is totally free. It was a little book that we had to construct ourselves that was near the train station. So it's the Monster book and it's super cute. I love it as decoration item. And finally, there's this passport, so be careful, like it's at the beginning, I believe. I didn't see it, it's my parents who found it and they gave it to me. So all along the visit, you will see that there are machines in which you can stamp the paper. It feels like a real passport as you can stamp the pages everywhere you go. The machines are at the King Croc station, Gringotts Bank, Diagon Alley, and etc. So pay attention because I missed like 2 of the locations.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be.
And here we are to the final part of the video, in which I am going to show you what I got, so that you can have an idea of what is out there if you ever plan on buying souvenirs. Obviously you can get your wizard robe from any of the house, but you actually can get it with your name on it. It only takes 10 to 15 minutes to get your name on the robe. Of course, there are so many wands you can get and you can choose. I took Hermione's wand because I love the design, but I have to admit that I also loved Cedric's and Sirius's wand, but I took this one. One of the many things I wanted the most was the entire book collection, because not only they are so pretty, but also I wanted them in original version. Finally, I also got this little time turner necklace because it was so cute. And that's all I got. But there are so many options like bags, pajamas, t-shirts, costumes, food, and even decoration items.
Thank you so much for watching my video. I really hope that it helped you if you ever want to go there. I hope it was helpful, and I hope also that, of course, you enjoyed it. And for every fan who've already have seen Harry Potter store, don't hesitate to comment down below your experience. Did you like it? Did you enjoy it? What did you think of it? Are there any tips that you would give to other people? Anyways, I thank you once again so much for watching my video. Nox.